Hey everybody, I hope you are doing well. You might have noticed that I have not been able to post any videos for quite some times now, but I'm so glad I'm back with you today. And thank you so much for following along and for your support. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, and share. I would appreciate your comment on my videos as well. Today, I want to introduce to you a very special person, and she's none other than my mom. And here's my mom. She'll be playing one of our Thadou-Kuki's instruments. This is a very old instrument, and I have no idea what this is called in English, but we call it Lhemlhei. And this is made of bamboo, and she'll be playing this instrument for us, and I hope you like it.
Doa hi salon mau na tabanga kan mo sasade hi. Bana hiyam kan sabing hi. Doa hi Polen kan thode hi. Doa hi bai nung a khun kan thoding hi.